name is Elizabeth C. Cabrera, but if you've read any of my books, you know that I go by a different name. And there's a reason for that. A real one. Not just I wanted the privacy or it just sounded prettier, but like an actual legitimate reason. Today I'm going to tell you the story of it from beginning to end, because honestly, it's a question I've gotten a lot recently on my channel, so let's go ahead and talk about it now. Hello, my lovelies. Yes, as I just said, I am Elizabeth C. Cabrera, but I go by the pen name Leigh Creek, and I like to talk on here about books, writing, and basically everything else in between. Why are we even talking about this? So recently, there was a larger influx of people coming into the channel, which if you're new here, hi, how are you? Glad to have you here. But because of that, I also had some of those people message me on different platforms, on email, all that kind of stuff, and there was a little bit of confusion. So I thought I'd make this video to just kind of clear things up for anybody who doesn't already know. And then I'm also going to be using this video as my new channel trailer or whatnot, because I feel like this would be a good one to have. So yes, I have two names that you will see that I use interchangeably: Elizabeth C. Cabrera and Leigh Creek. Elizabeth C. Cabrera is my name. I go by Liz. All my friends call me Liz. That's my name. Leigh Creek is my pen name. So pen name is basically the name that I use to write certain books. So let's rewind. Why did I decide to do that? Well, back when I first started writing books, which if you have been on this channel for a while, you've heard me talk about this book, which is the Pen Name Project. It's the first romance I wrote. You've seen me talk about Twisting Fate, which is the second book that I wrote. But there's a third book that you have not seen me talk about as much, and that is Tosca. Tosca is actually my first book. Tosca is the first book I wrote, which is why sometimes when I'm talking about like the number of books I've written, you've heard me probably like mistakenly be like, oh, I've written 3 books. Oh, wait, no, 2. And that's why, because in total I have written 3 books. So I have 3 books that I've written. So why did I do 2 different ways? Because as you've seen on here, this one says Elizabeth C. Cabrera. So let's rewind a little bit. I'd say about 10 years ago, I decided that I wanted to write my first book, which was Tosca. Tosca is a lot different than the romances you've seen me work on. Tosca is much more of a personal project of mine. And at the time I was working in a completely different job field. I actually worked at a hospital in the OR, if you can believe it. And I hated it, but like different story for a different day. I decided I wanted to try writing my first book because I'd always wanted to, and it was my dream to do that. But I was like, I need to write this for myself. Tosca is and the reason you don't hear me talk about it as much is because, yes, as I said just now, it is a personal project of mine, but Tosca is very personal to me because I was working through a lot of issues at the time. I was working through a lot of depression, and I was working through a lot of mental health issues. I wanted to use this book to kind of process a lot of what I was feeling. Yes, Tosca is available, like you can go and pick it up, but you don't hear me talking or advertising as much because, again, like I just said, Tosca is about basically this woman who is going through a mental health crisis, essentially, and she's got some stuff going on. I started writing that about, I want to say 10 years ago. It took me about 8 years to finish it on and off because, again, I was working a very, very intensive job at the time, so I didn't have very much free time, and the free time I did have, it was not very much, and let's be honest, I didn't have the energy to do basically anything else. It took me quite a while to write that, and I wanted to put it under my name, so I put it under my name, which is, again, why it's Elizabeth C. Cabrera on this one. So then, okay, you're like, all right, well, why aren't these books under Elizabeth C. Cabrera? Well, that part is the kind of slightly funny part, and that's where it branches into a little bit more of like a complicated answer. So when I first decided I was going to write romance, I wanted to write spicy romance. I love spicy romance. Yes, say what you want about spicy romance, but that's just what I wanted to do. I do romance, but like Twisting Fates is much more of like a romantic suspense, but it's a spicy romantic suspense. And then Pen Name Project is a little bit more on the rom-com side, which I think the best way to describe what I like to write is more of like, just don't tell me what to do. I'll write what I want to. I do what I want. When I first came up with the idea of Pen Name Project, because that's the first romance book that I put out, when I came up with the idea of that, the reason why it's named the Pen Name Project has actually 2 different meanings. One of which is based on the actual plot of the book. The plot of the book is this woman wants to write her first spicy romance novel, but she doesn't have romantic experience, so she gets her best friend to do a fake dating experiment with her, and, spice and chaos ensues. So that's one reason. The second reason is that at that time, I was playing around with the idea of having my own pen name. So I kind of named this first book as kind of like almost like a to be determined title of just the Pen Name Project. And so I liked it so much though that I ended up keeping it because it matched so perfectly with the actual content of the book. That just kind of worked out well. But around that time when I, again, was coming up with doing the name or whatnot, it had a lot to do with, and again, this is where the complicated part comes in. One of which is I was telling my husband, and my husband was like, go for it. I think if that's what you want to do. Hubby is super supportive. Everybody on this channel, if you've been here for more than 5 minutes, know I am married. Hubby is great. We all love hubby. He was like, all right, go ahead. You do what you want to do. And he didn't care what I put it under. He was like, just write what you want to write. Have fun doing it. When I started telling my parents about it though, my mom was like 100% like, do it. Like, do it. Like, you should definitely do it. But if I may make a request, put it under a pen name, please. And I thought that was funny. And I was just kind of like, just out of curiosity, why? And she's like, not because we care, but like your grandparents might have an aneurysm. So the other day on the last stream that I did, I was jokingly telling people about like one of my grandparents, who my grandmother on my mother's side is very much alive. And so I had this story that I was laughing and, kikiing with some of the people on chat because she knows that I write these and she wanted a copy. And I didn't even think twice. I just sent it to her. And I told my mom, because my mom was like, oh, well, did you send it to this person? Did you send it to that person? I was like, yeah, I sent it to these two. And then I sent it to my grandmother. And she's like, whoa. You did what? You did what? She loved it. But again, that's not her vibe. So she was just like, I just skipped those chapters. It was good. I just skipped those chapters because that wasn't for me. Which again, the fact that she even read it at all, I was like thrilled to pieces. Anyway, again, I know this is kind of a jumbled mess. I promise that there is a cohesion to this chaos. But that's one of the reasons why I decided to write under a pen name, was for their sake, so to speak. But also the bigger reason, which is honestly the more important reason, and it's the less fun version of all of this, but it's honestly the real reason. Because like the other one is like, again, hee ha ha, it's funny sort of thing. But like the real reason that I did it is branding. It's branding. And I know that's probably not like the most like the coolest origin story, so to speak, but that's the real reason. That's the real reason I decided to split things up into pen name, because I like to write. I love to write romances, but as you saw, I also write other things, and I want to have the option to publish more. I don't want to say more serious, because like I have very serious topics in my romances. Like again, with Twisting Fates, there's a whole subplot about the female main character who's basically dealing with self-esteem issues and an eating disorder. And then with Pen Name Project, there is a whole stalker subplot, and there's like commentary on like justice system works. But so there are some very serious topics and some stuff I kind of, yes, on top of the actual like fun romance and the spice and all that kind of stuff, there is some like serious stuff that goes on in there. But like, I want to have the option to publish more like other genres kind of thing. So like, again, I keep pulling these up, but Tosca is a literary fiction. So Tosca, like I said, I already gave you kind of like a little explanation of what it is, but it is a literary fiction. As I have also mentioned in the past, I want to say sometime last year, I had talked about a couple different projects, one of which was Project Wickel, which is WICL. And Project Wickel is a murder mystery. So I want to have the option to publish that under Elizabeth C. Cabrera. So basically what the whole pen name breaks down into is Leigh Creek is the romance, Elizabeth C. Cabrera is mysteries and literary fiction. So that is the actual legitimate reason why I chose to do a pen name, because I like having the flexibility of publishing whatever I want, just having branding tied in one way or another. So when you hear Leigh Creek, you're going to think of the romances. When you hear Elizabeth C. Cabrera, ideally in the future, you'll think of the murder mysteries and the literary fiction. I don't know how much of that is going to actually happen. Again, I've enjoyed so much writing the romance, and I'm really vibing with that. And I still have Project Wickel on the sidelines, but I don't know if that's ever going to actually become a thing. But I wanted to have like an option to give myself, because it's a lot harder to market yourself as like a huge multi-genre author as like one author, because it's like you've got like it's very complicated. Not to say that you can't do it, and not to say that I couldn't have done it if I really tried. It was just more of, I wanted to have the distinction. Honestly, my focus has been on the Leigh Creek stuff. And when I first started doing the pen name stuff, I had it with that, again, keeping the foot in the door sort of thing, so I could have a way to explore the other avenue and the other genres that I want to work on as well. Because again, I'd also like to eventually do maybe like a fantasy and that kind of thing. But it's like, there's so many different ideas that I have that like I really right now need to focus in on one, which is why you see me talking about the Leigh Creek stuff and all of that. Eventually, again, I would love to have other books in these other genres under my actual name and under Leigh Creek, but right now it's the only one you're going to hear me talking about is the stuff I put under Leigh Creek, because let's be realistic. I only have so much time in the day. I do work full time, completely side tangent to this. And again, I know, I'm sorry. If you've seen any of my videos before, you know that this is just how I am, of like, I just go on tangents all the time. If you're new here though, so my bad. I'm sorry. You're getting to experience me in my full feral chaotic energy. But what was I even going to say? This is a shorter video because, again, I just wanted to kind of explain, because I have had a couple of people messaging me and emailing me being like, you know, I don't like, what name am I supposed to be looking for if I'm looking for this thing or if I'm looking for this other things? And that's your answer. If you're on YouTube, you see me as Elizabeth C. Cabrera, because this channel is essentially just like the behind the scenes of producing these books. And my name is Elizabeth C. Cabrera. So in order to show you the behind the scenes, I'm showing you me, which is not Leigh Creek. But you will see me put myself on there as Leigh Creek, if that makes sense. So that's the main reason behind all of this chaos. But you know, that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. So that's this week's video. Next week, we're going to have a more serious sit down. As I teased before and mentioned before, we're going to talk about a month of finances as an indie author. I've been going through the numbers, and yeah, it's going to be a fun one. It's going to be an interesting one. Not for me, but for y'all. So I will see you guys then. Thank you so much for sticking it out and for just sitting through this absolutely feral video, but I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And if you would like to, you know, again, follow, like, subscribe, however else people say it, that would be fantastic. Again, I'll be having that video out next week. We're going to be doing a stream. As of me recording this, we have stream next Saturday, so we'll have another productivity stream soon. And yeah, in the meantime, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.